Hello everyone, today we are going to show you how to log in to your Audi Finance account on your Windows PC or laptop. Make sure that you have created the My Audi Finance account before logging it. Now, firstly go to search engine of your device and in the URL box type Audi Finance login and search it. Then you will see multiple sites. Click this site link, Manage My Finance account. Then you will reach the official login page of My Audi Finance. Then you can see the option of login or register on your screen and click on it. Then enter your mail ID that you have used to create your account. Once you enter your mail, click on the next option. Then enter your account password and press login. And there it is. That's how you log into your Audi Finance account. Thanks for watching our video. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.